Yeah, no, so we have some rush this morning. They are cleaning up the boat. The whole crew member come out and we are cleaning up the boat. I see it. Right now we are going to see, you know, because I don't know what things said. Great Tampa, the veteran fish killer. Big DJ there. Watch that, you know, not want to see him on the seaside of this, you know, big entertainer, you know. The original ninja that here. Bad ninja from St. Thomas, and I better recognize. And this is the one PMP with up on the boat. See him? The only PMP with up on the boat. Stop show up him colors. Yo, Talis! You're up on big league today! You're up on big league today! So people, I want to subscribe to my channels. You know some Mark 1 TV, you don't know what I think they go. They go epic, they go nice. May I say?
Oi! Oi! I David where my parent has soap. Oh yeah, so look on them. I man, you don't know what thing going on, man. I mean, some way for rock up there, you don't video them, man. Video them, man. I know what a murder, what do you do? Every day I murder people.
Yeah, the killer attack. The killer that you know.
Dead.
Real deal.
Look at the light there.
Boy, Talis, you take a big flight today. Look like you take a big flight today.
Yeah, man, I'm very son. Bob Marley, you know.
Look how more come back from sea. That's where I go work in the morning. Yeah. So people, this is fisherman lifestyle. We go see with the boat, we clean up the boat. Yeah, say, our things, I don't know what things set enough. Yeah. So all of them things that we just clean out of the boat, we fix up the boat for our comfort, you know. We just want the boat clean and spunky. So we just take all of these things out of the boat before while. Yeah. So you know how the pot man them do this. And I really die for them, so we just take it out and we clean up the boat. You know, sir?
Yeah, that's right. I boat on clean up the boat. My God, I'm very good. I'll go out and that water. Stop there. I'm by our water. I'm saying, pour your reach from. He said, do your. He said, do it.
So people, this is Rocky Point Beach in St. Thomas, in the east. This is what the beach look like. Yeah. This is our beach. This is our beach in the east. See that? Yeah, this is Rocky Point Beach in the east. Not Rocky Point Clarendon, Rocky Point St. Thomas. Yeah, this is what our beach look like. No man, so the place look good. Yo! Yo! So this is what our beach look like. And a beer whites and about 20 odd mile, you know, because that corner. And you know the sea just cut down now because the sea is rough. So the sea just get calm, so you know the beach never clean up so quick. It's gonna take a while. You start to the beach, the whole white sand beach. Perfect. Because all of these things are going to dry up and just blow away. So you can see the sea the right way. And the white sand, it's a very nice beach. Check it out, you know, Rocky Point Beach in St. Thomas. So the youth them down there so I deal with the boat.
One time we heard about from one thing. Blood clot boat.
One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Just like that.
Yeah.
One guy work. Yo, hold it. I'm one.